Hi guys, today we're reviewing Fashion Icon Set
Thingy.
from Roblox.
Yeah.
Let's get unboxing.
Well, first, look at the characters that are in it. It comes with 4 wings and, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hairs.
No, what about the hairs on each of their heads?
Well, okay, this open.
Yep. No.
It's on the side. Okay. Okay, now let me hold this.
First, we're gonna look at the characters you can get.
Also, virtual item thing. I can't get this off. I'm just gonna leave it there right now. First, okay, just gonna show all the characters. What is your favorite character? Yeah.
I'll show once we're done.
Ooh, the wings are 2-piece. Look, the wings are 2 pieces.
Yes.
Oh no, I dropped one on the ground. Thank you, please retrieve that.
Sure.
Retrieving items. Also gonna move this box out of the way. We're probably gonna use that for a PS video, just saying.
It's a good background.
Also, there's some cool rainbow hair. It's amazing.
Sorry for that bit of color. That is just outfit.
She's wearing a towel that you wear for some reason.
Because I just swam.
We swam like an hour ago.
Yeah.
Okay, these people are hard to get out of the box.
Want me to?
No, you just show off all the items while I'm doing this. Okay?
Here's my favorite character.
Yeah, show off all the items.
Okay. Here is a little top hat. A little top hat with a yellow flower.
What she's doing off screen is beautiful. Hard for package noises.
Look how majestic he looks. We have someone to show.
Oh no! I dropped another.
Ah!
I dropped another thing on. I'm going to take off these girls' wings. I'm not going to.
Why?
Were you wearing them? Was she wearing them? Wait, who's wearing them? Who's wearing these wings? Can you look on this? I think it was her. It was this girl? This girl. Blue outfit girl. Wearing these purple wings. Okay, now we're going to show off everybody. I'll show off the people. She'll show off the items. No, first I'm going to do the people.
Okay.
So.
Can I show off this one because it's my favorite?
No.
Please.
Okay, we can both show off 2 people. So we have this. She dropped it on the ground. Okay, so this girl, she has purple wings. Are like purple angel wings. And also her hair is flowery. That's kind of cool. Oh, so is it supposed to be a dress? I think this is supposed to be a dress. Vivian, really? Okay, and then we have,
Oops, I put the wings on backwards.
She has gloves, black gloves, with this weird purple dress. I think it's not purple, it's aqua dress. And then we have Bandage Girl.
Sorry for chair noises.
Showing off a lot of skin. Just let that focus. Just look at that. Bandage Girl, she's a lot of bandages and a little necklace. Oh, she has a hat that's not removable. It's with her hair.
Oh my goodness, this is so majestic.
And they do have knees. I like a bend in this girl. Also, it has 1 cat stocking. It's just. Let's let focus.
Can I show off?
1 cat stocking.
Bug!
There we go. Sorry, okay.
Look how majestic.
Yeah, okay, now I'm going to show off some hairs. 2 hairs, because...
Hey, can't I show off my characters first?
No, I'm showing off the hairs right now.
I claim these.
This is Mask. Oh, sorry, it was on screen. Sorry, I should look at it. But Mask, it's covering up 1 eyeball. Let's just show that on someone. This girl's hair is falling off, so I'm going to put it on her. their eyes don't show through on that one. Okay, maybe her. Oh, she has flowers on her head. No, doesn't work. This mask does not work. And we have. Where's the hair? Vivian, do you still? Oh, give me my rainbow hair. That's which one I was doing.
Okay. Actually, this is my favorite. Right here.
Yeah. Okay, and then we have rainbow hair. That is amazing. I wish my Roblox character had this.
Too bad it's for Roblox.
Probably is.
Thumbs down.
We might get it in our secret thing.
We're not showing it off on camera because we do not want anyone to steal.
I'm going to take the wings off of this. I'm kind of just jumping on top of the table.
Wait, did it show here?
I don't know. These,
Go back in that pose.
okay, just look at these wings. Wings.
Go back in that pose.
Okay, Vivian, show off your characters. Show off your characters, please.
This is
Spinning her body around.
again. Possible knees. Meh. Tongue out face. The hair is amazing though.
Is this a real hair? I think.
Here is my favorite character. Posable knees, Elsa hair,
Elsa hair.
and beautiful wings.
Where did you put the plastic? Where did I put the plastic?
I don't know.
It didn't fall on the ground. I'm going to have to go.
I'm so dumb at moving this.
Hilarious. I don't know where the plastic went. But it went somewhere.
Because another thing dropped.
Dropping things everywhere. Yee.
She's just having a little snack over there. Well, I think it's time to go bye-bye.
No, really, we have the Roblox here. Why is she wearing one cat stocking?
Yeah. I'm looking if that's her hair.
No, it's Blue Girl's hair. I'm so confused.
Wait, someone's supposed to have a top hat. Oh, she's supposed to have a top hat.
Put tap hats on them.
And
Move
these
your-
wings.
Beautiful. Beautiful girl. Daddies. By the way, I actually have some blind box as one of these. Blind box Roblox characters.
You should show it off.
I would have to run all the way over back, and I don't want to do that right now. And by the way, these wings come in 2 pieces, and they're kind of hard to snap in.
Don't
The
you
second
have
one.
it in your bag?
Yeah, I have a bag full of toys. I'm going to show off.
That's funny. There's something in her bag was a little bit funny.
Let's put everybody up here.
Okay, with our favorite outfits.
Let's dress up the characters.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of time left that we can do.
I have an idea.
By the way, your hair just keeps mysteriously appearing. Her hair looks like a rat nest right now. I'll dress up these 2 characters. Okay, this hair is beautiful.
That's their walkway.
Yeah, that's
To
their
show off their stuff.
that's their catwalk.
Oh, zoom in more into that.
No, we should put it in the middle of the screen.
Let's get this out of the way.
Yeah.
I almost crumbled it.
That will be bad. Can I have those fire wings?
Yeah.
Or trade in my purple wings?
Yep.
Take my purple wings.
I like all my hairs.
Oh, I really wanted this hair. It's so cute. I have weird mask hair. Do you want weird mask hair?
No. You have a top hat.
I know Tom. What do you want in the top hat instead of this hair?
No.
No. Because I want. Okay, I only have 2 Roblox characters, but I wish I can actually change their outfits around. Because they pull apart. See? I just rip her head off. See? So the arms come off, right? Yes, they do.
Yep. Want to trade in any arms for these?
I'm just gonna
They're ones with gloves.
I'm just gonna pull apart the characters right now.
Can I have the black ones?
Oh,
For beautiful white gloved ones.
Do you want this torso?
No. The heads come off, right?
Yes, that's due.
Okay.
Okay, we have just a pile of stuff
Here's
here.
stuff I want to trade in.
It's for your head.
I will take it. I'll take it. And any arms?
I have these arms.
Ooh. Before you take them, I'm gonna try them on mine.
Okay. Where's my torso?
Nah, no trade. This doesn't look good.
Okay. I'm just putting.
We're just dressing them up back here. I have an idea.
I think that looks good.
I have an idea. It's not gonna look good, probably.
I don't know her head. Where did it go? Oh, it rolled back here.
Nah.
I have some.
Oh, sorry, my shoe was in the shot.
Yeah, it's very colorful. Mine is like the most colorful shoe in the entire universe.
It's black,
Yes.
completely black.
Does this make sense?
No.
Makes as much sense as Five Nights at Freddy's. So it's good.
Yep.
And she's gonna be like robot skeleton girl because she has like joint looking things. Because I can. Oh, actually, I snapped one on.
Wait. Does this hair look like anyone to you? Doki, Doki.
Like Doki Doki Panic. I know what you mean, but just look. Does this make sense? Okay. This girl's dark soul, so she needs a top hat. She ain't top hat because she's dark soul.
Okay. They'll strut their stuff at the end.
When my heads are rolling away.
You want to trade in anything for this hair?
I have a couple hairs. These are my hairs.
I like the flower crown.
Oh, okay. This majestic beast is going to have thisness.
Huh?
Majestic beast is going to have thisness. Oh, my torso's on backwards.
This hair won't come off. Good thing we have this.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done too.
This is going to be.
But we'll have to put different hairs on them too.
You done with the review?
No, they're strutting their stuff.
Sweet.
Yeah, I put on the wing on the wrong side. These flame wings are amazing.
Oh, doesn't that look adorable?
Yeah, but just look at this girl.
You're not supposed to show it till this.
Well, sorry.
They strut their stuff.
It's cool.
Okay, I'm ready for them to strut.
Well,
their
mine's
stuff.
not done yet. I have like 3 hairs left over.
Don't worry. We'll get to change up the hairs and strut the stuff.
No, we should pretty finish up this really quick. Okay, you go. I'll eat my applesauce in the background. We're going to wave to everybody. How many stars do you give Pink? What are you going to name her?
What's her name?
No.
Has this hair?
No, I know what you should name her.
What?
Pinky.
Yeah. Pinky.
How many stars do you give Pinky?
comment down below how many stars do you give Pinky. I give her 4.
No, you can't. Oh yeah, you can vote for your own one. I'm gonna get her 2. And then we have this girl. That's beautiful. She is Flame Princess 2.0 with these awesome flame butterfly wings. She's a dark soul. There's bugs, and then you go. The applesauce is delicious. She's waving to everybody.
What do you give pizza pie 1, 2, 3?
Pizza pie 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give her a 4. Sorry about that. I did not realize that because she was trying. Okay, here is Colorful Soul. She's colorful except for her shirt and my arm's in the way. She is Colorful Soul with bandages showing off a lot of skin. Also, just saying, she has rainbow hair. Rainbow hair!
I'm keeping this one like this. It's adorable.
Yes. And I think we should probably leave.
Everybody, go up on stage.
I dipped applesauce on my... No, she's gonna be... You're gonna go beside because you guys... I have applesauce on my hand.
I think these two won.
Here's everybody. Okay,
We should put up the hairs.
House. Okay. And...
Bye.